Hello guys, how are you? I think you are all will be fine. Today we started our previous lecture. We review Kenneth. Our previous lecture we discussed about how to set up campaign and how to create ad set level and how to set up location. And then today our lecture is about how to set up a pixel in FB ads, how we can set up pixels in our Shopify store, in our e-commerce any store, and how to set up pixels in in our FB page, and how to we do retargeting, because pixel is important things. It's all about your custom audience. Okay, it's a very important things in our e-commerce store or any online business when we run ads. So we can set up a pixels, and today we started how to we set up a pixel. Let's start it. If you like my video and channel, like and subscribe it. So start it today our lecture about it. So we can come. So we come to this page, this display, and we go to all tools option. When we go to options, you can see there all the features, but we can go to events manager. And when we come to events manager, so yeah, we come to a events manager, so you can see that there is my pixels which is already added. Yeah, so this is my pixels, and I can set up a pixels. Okay, uh, I can set up pixels. You can come to there and set up a pixels in there. There is an option. Okay, okay, you can come there and set up a pixels. You can there an option which is right in a setup. Okay, and you can simply set a pixel in there. You can see that pixel ID, name, owner, okay, cookies and something. Turn on automatic advanced match setup. If you don't set up a pixel, you can simply set up a pixel overview, and you can see there are set up a pixel, and you can set up the pixel. Okay, after set up a pixels, and you can set up a pixels. After set up a pixels, you can and see how to set up a pixel in our online store in a FB pixel. How do we set up FB pixels in online store? So today is about that topic, and we can set up our FB pixel like we come to there, and when we set up a pixel, then we continue to write setups. And if you have e-commerce store in WordPress or Shopify, you can simply two types of setup pixel. First, install code manually. When is install code manually mean when we click there, so there is a code which is give him, so copy code, and when we copy code and paste in a website header section, and above the header section, the center of header section, we can paste the code, and this is set up our pixels. Okay, this is the manually set up a pixel. If we want to partner integration, we click on partner integration. We want to set up pixel in big e-commerce, Eventbrite, Equate, Dropball, Donzoogle, 3D Code, Google Tech, Sport, Shopify, Magneto, and anyone which we want to, WooCommerce, WordPress, which we want to set up pixel, like we want to set up in a Shopify. So we simply log in. Yeah, I have complete setup to Shopify. no activity because we don't have sit there websites. Okay, after confirmation you can set up your fixer automatically with partner integration. Okay, this is a test event where you are all the test where you how to set up and how to run ads, and there is diagnostics. If you have any issue in pixels or anything, you can see there your history. And history means how many how many run ads and how many records of you in there after setup pixels. And settings is your old ID and your events and something, all the integration partner which we choose and manually. Okay, in all that about the setup, so we set up pixel in our events manager. So it's a very easily, but it's an important part of our ads, because if we set up as a, we can retarget the people, we can custom I we have our custom audience, we have want to buy things and we retargeting. So it's a very important parts of our ads. So first of all, you can need to set up your pixel in a ads, and if you have any issue, then comments me and ask me questions. Then comments me and ask me question, I will help you. Okay, so today is lecture is about that how to set up a pixel. If you likes my video and you are watching my video, so like and subscribe the channel, so we can meet on next lecture we target the how we target the audience. Audience targeting is a very important part of our ads. Okay, so today lecture is about that. Thank you.